Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen Prince. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I achieve this layered Havana twist style. Go ahead and stay tuned for these next couple of clips to see exactly how I achieve this look. So here are all the tools that I'm going to be using to complete this look. I have my Jamaica braid by Bobbi Boss, and this is in the color number 4. I have 5 packs of this. I have my brush to help me detangle this hair, a rat tail comb. Make sure you get a good rat tail comb. That's really going to help you with parting. I have my scissors. Then I have my clips and hair ties to help me with sectioning. I have my leave-in conditioner, my grape seed oil for moisturizing my hair. And then I have my Arganics extra virgin olive oil edge smoothing gel, and this is just going to help me with my parting, and it's also going to help me slick my hair when I'm doing the sections for each twist. Okay guys, so let me go ahead and show you how I detangle each piece of hair. I'm going to take 2 pieces, and to make it easier you want to snip these little ends off here just like that. And then I just lay the hair across my lap, and I take my brush and I detangle it just like that. It's pretty easy. And I'm going to do this for every twist. Yes, every twist. Okay guys, so for this look I'm going to start on detangled and blow dried hair, and then I'm going to take my rat tail comb and I'm going to section off each section. I'm not going to do that on camera, but I will come back and show you guys how I section each section. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I went ahead and parted my hair off. I have 3 sections in the front and I have 3 sections in the back. Let me go ahead and show you what that's looking like. And for this bottom section, I'm going to go ahead and put 1 row here. For this middle section, I'm going to put 2 rows of twist here. And then for the 3rd section, I'm going to put 3 rows in this 3rd section. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. For this back section, I already put in my leave-in conditioner and my olive oil, and I just brushed that through with my brush. I'm going to do that for every section. And then I went ahead and took my hair, measured out how long I wanted my twist to stop, and I cut it. Then after I cut it, I pulled the ends so that the ends are not going to be blunt as I finish my twist. To get the layered look, you want to cut your twist shorter as you go up. So I'm going to keep the twist long in the back, and I'll show you the other sections where I keep my twist long to give me the desired look that I'm going for. Okay, so here's the first row. And now I'm going to move to the front sections because I want these side sections to be the same length as these 3 rows in the back. Okay, so I took those side sections in the front and I split them in half, and I put a row of twists on each side that reach down to the length of the twists that are in the back. So now I want to start to make my twist shorter to get that layered look. So now I'm going to go back to the back section and I'm going to start to create those shorter twists. So I want the next layer to be a couple of inches shorter than the first layer. So what I do is I just take the hair, fold it, put it up to my head, measure to where I want it to be. Then I'm going to cut it to the length that I want. And I'm just going to use this 1 piece as a measure for the rest of that section. Okay, so for these side sections, I'm going to go ahead and use the same length that I used to finish up this last section in the back, the medium layer, and I'm going to put that same length on the sides for the second row. Okay, so here are the side sections finished. Okay, So for this final section at the top, I went ahead and parted it down the center, and then on each side I'm going to go ahead and put 3 rows. Rows apply. I took some hair, put it up to my head, measured it to where I wanted the twist to stop, and then I'm just going to continue to finish this section with this last 3rd layer. Okay, so for as far as adding the hair into my hair, I go ahead and make my part, then I take my smoothing gel and I put that along the part on all 4 sides. Then when I attach the hair, I use the box braid method, whatever you want to call that, you know, extensions. I start off braiding, and I do that just to about there, and then I put 2 pieces together, and then I start to twist the hair, and that is it. And twist it all the way down to the very end. Okay guys, so that's it. That's how I achieve this look. That's how I part my hair. That's how I cut the hair to create the layers. Hopefully you guys learned something new. If you have any questions for me, go ahead and leave your questions down in the comment section. Also, please do not forget to read the description box. Every product that I use and all the tools that I use will be listed down in the description box. And thank you guys for stopping by. Bye.